Hey Sagittarius, I need to share something with you right now because the energy coming through these cards is absolutely wild. I just sat down with my deck and the message for you is so clear, so powerful, and honestly, it gave me chills when I started laying these cards out. So here's what's happening. The universe has been watching everything you've been through. Every single moment where you felt like things weren't fair, where you wondered why certain things happened the way they did, where you questioned if you were ever going to catch a break. All of that is about to shift in a massive way. I pulled 10 cards for you today, and I'm telling you, each one of them is building this incredible story about what's coming into your life within the next 48 hours. Not weeks, not months. We're talking about 2 days here. The energy is that immediate and that intense. Let me start with the first card I pulled. And honestly, when this one came up, I had to take a second because the timing of it is just perfect for you right now. The Emperor showed up first, and this card is all about structure, authority, and taking control of your own kingdom. What I'm seeing here is that you've been in situations where other people have had too much say over your life. Maybe it's been a boss who didn't appreciate your worth. Maybe it's been people in your personal life who've tried to control your decisions, or maybe it's just been circumstances that made you feel powerless. The Emperor is saying that time is completely over. You're stepping into your own power in a way that's going to surprise even you. This isn't about being aggressive or dominating others. It's about recognizing that you have every right to set boundaries, make decisions, and build your life exactly the way you want it. Within these next 48 hours, you're going to have a moment where you realize just how much authority you actually have. It might come through a conversation where you finally speak up, it might come through a decision you make that you've been putting off, or it might just be this internal shift where you suddenly feel like the ruler of your own destiny. What I love about this card in your reading is that it's not asking you to become someone you're not. It's asking you to step into the natural leadership and strength that's already inside you. You've always had this quality, but something has been dimming it, making you second guess yourself. That's ending now. The next card that came through was the Seven of Pentacles. And oh my goodness, this one is so significant for where you are right now. This card is literally about harvest time. It's about all those seeds you planted months ago, maybe even years ago, finally starting to show results. I know you've been working on things that haven't shown immediate payoff. Maybe you've been building skills, investing time in relationships, putting effort into projects that seem to go nowhere. The Seven of Pentacles is telling you that everything you've been cultivating is about to bear fruit in a way that's going to feel so validating. This isn't just about one area of your life either. This is multiple things coming together at once. What I'm picking up specifically is that some of this harvest relates to money from the past. Like literally, financial opportunities or resources that you thought were gone or that you'd written off are circling back around. It could be a refund you weren't expecting. It could be someone finally paying you back. It could be an opportunity from a previous connection that's resurfacing, or it could even be that work you did in the past suddenly becoming valuable again. The universe kept track of everything you put out there, and now it's time for you to collect. Within 48 hours, you're going to see tangible proof that your efforts weren't wasted. Something is going to land in your reality that makes you think, okay, so all of that actually did matter. And the beautiful thing about the Seven of Pentacles is that this is just the beginning of the harvest. Once these things start flowing, they tend to keep coming. Then I pulled the Hierophant, and this card brought such an interesting layer to your reading. The Hierophant is about tradition, wisdom, and doing things the right way. But what I'm seeing for you is that this card is coming in to tell you that you're about to be recognized for your integrity. You know how sometimes it feels like people who cut corners or play dirty get ahead while you're over here trying to do everything properly? That dynamic is reversing. The Hierophant says that your commitment to doing things with integrity, to being honest even when it was harder, to treating people fairly even when they didn't treat you fairly, all of that is about to pay off in a major way. I'm seeing that within these next 2 days, someone in a position of authority or influence is going to notice your value in a way they haven't before. This could be in a professional setting where suddenly your work is being appreciated at a higher level, or it could be in your personal life where someone finally recognizes what you bring to the table. What's really powerful about this card is that it often indicates official recognition or formal acknowledgement. So we're not just talking about someone thinking nice thoughts about you, we're talking about something concrete happening. It could be an offer, a promotion, a public acknowledgement, or some kind of official opportunity coming your way. The Hierophant also brings teaching energy, so you might find yourself in a position where you're able to guide others or share what you know, and this becomes a source of fulfillment and potentially income for you. The Two of Pentacles came up next, and I have to say, this card makes so much sense with everything else. The Two of Pentacles is about balance and juggling multiple things, but the way it's showing up in your reading is really positive. What I'm getting is that you've been managing a lot, probably more than most people realize. You've been balancing responsibilities, trying to make different areas of your life work, dealing with changes, and having to adapt constantly. The Two of Pentacles is saying that you've actually been doing an amazing job with this, even if it hasn't felt that way to you. But here's the shift that's coming. Instead of juggling things that drain you or that feel like obligations you can't get out of, you're about to be juggling opportunities. Like literally, you're going to have options in front of you, and the challenge is going to be choosing between good things rather than trying to manage difficult things. This is such a different energy, and it's coming fast. Within 48 hours, you might see 2 or more positive possibilities showing up at once. It could be multiple job opportunities, it could be different ways to make money, it could be various social invitations or connections. But the point is that you're moving from scarcity to abundance in terms of options. The Two of Pentacles also tells me that you have the skill to handle this new level of opportunity. You won't be overwhelmed by it because you've already built the capacity to manage complexity. Now you just get to apply that capacity to things that actually excite you. The Three of Wands showed up, and this card literally made me smile when I pulled it for you. The Three of Wands is one of the most expansive cards in the entire deck. It's about vision, foresight, and watching your ships come in. You know that phrase about your ship coming in? That's literally the Three of Wands. This card shows a figure standing on a cliff looking out at the ocean, watching ships return loaded with goods. Those ships represent investments you made, efforts you put out into the world, and now they're coming back to you multiplied. What I love about this card in your reading is the timing. Within 48 hours, you're going to get confirmation about something you've been waiting on. It might be news you've been expecting, it might be results from something you started a while ago, or it might be a new opportunity that's even better than what you were originally hoping for. The Three of Wands says that your vision for your life, those dreams and plans you've been holding on to, they're valid and they're achievable. In fact, some of them are already in motion, even if you can't see the full picture yet. This card also brings international or long-distance energy, so for some of you, opportunities might be coming from far away or involving travel, relocation, or connections with people in other places. The expansion that's happening for you is real, and it's happening now. Six of Wands came through, and honestly, when this card showed up, I was like, yes, this is exactly what Sagittarius needs to see right now. The Six of Wands is the victory card. It's about recognition, success, and receiving acknowledgement for your achievements. After everything you've been through, all the times you felt overlooked or undervalued, this card is saying that you're about to have your moment. People are going to see you differently. They're going to recognize your worth in a way that feels validating and empowering. What I'm picking up specifically is that this victory is connected to something you did while others doubted you. Maybe you pursued something people said wouldn't work. Maybe you stood your ground when others thought you should compromise. Maybe you invested in yourself when others thought you were being impractical. Whatever it was, you're about to be proven right in a very visible way. The Six of Wands often indicates public recognition or social acknowledgement. So this isn't going to be a private victory. Other people are going to witness your success, and honestly, some of them are going to be surprised by it. But you know what? Their surprise doesn't matter. What matters is that you stayed true to yourself, and now you get to enjoy the rewards of that. Within these next 2 days, expect to receive compliments, acknowledgement, or recognition that boosts your confidence significantly. This could come through social media, through work, through your community, but it's coming and it's going to feel really good. Four of Pentacles appeared, and this card brings an interesting message about resources and security. Usually people interpret the Four of Pentacles as being about holding on too tightly to what you have, but in your reading, it's showing up differently. What I'm seeing is that you're about to experience a level of financial stability and security that allows you to actually relax a little bit. You've been in survival mode for so long, always worried about having enough, always anxious about money, always feeling like you need to hold on to every penny because you don't know when more will come. The Four of Pentacles is saying that you're entering a phase where you can actually feel secure about your resources. This doesn't mean you're going to become reckless with money. It means you're going to have enough cushion that you're not constantly stressed about it. What's really significant is that this security is coming from multiple sources. It's not just one income stream or one opportunity. You're building actual financial foundation. Within the next 48 hours, something is going to happen that contributes to this sense of security. It might be money coming in. It might be a financial opportunity being presented. It might be a debt being resolved, but something shifts that makes you breathe a little easier about your material situation. The Four of Pentacles also says that you're learning the value of what you have and you're becoming better at managing and protecting your resources. This is a good thing because as more abundance flows in, you're going to be ready to handle it wisely. The Hermit came through, and this card added such an interesting dimension to your reading. The Hermit is about inner wisdom, introspection, and trusting your own guidance. What I'm getting for you is that you've been on this internal journey, really getting to know yourself, understanding your patterns, and developing your own inner compass. The Hermit is telling you that all that inner work you've been doing is about to pay off in external ways. See, when you're clear within yourself about who you are and what you want, the universe can deliver opportunities that actually match you. You've been doing the work of becoming clear, and now the Hermit is saying that clarity is going to guide you toward exactly what you need. Within the next 48 hours, you might have an insight or realization that shifts your perspective significantly. It might come during a quiet moment. It might come through meditation or reflection. It might even come through a dream. But you're going to understand something about your situation that you didn't see before. This understanding is going to help you make better decisions going forward. The Hermit also suggests that you might be in a position to offer wisdom or guidance to others soon. Your experiences have given you knowledge that others need, and there's going to be opportunities to share that in ways that feel meaningful. Knight of Swords appeared, and let me tell you, this card brought so much dynamic energy to your reading. The Knight of Swords is fast, direct, and unstoppable. This card is telling me that things are about to move quickly for you. After a period where everything felt slow and stuck, suddenly you're going to experience rapid movement and change. The Knight of Swords doesn't mess around. When this card shows up, it brings news, communication, and swift action. Within the next 48 hours, you're likely to receive important information or communication that changes your situation. This could be an email, a phone call, a message, or a conversation that brings clarity or opportunity. What I love about the Knight of Swords is that it cuts through confusion and gets straight to the point. If you've been waiting for answers or clarity about something, this Knight is bringing it to you now. The energy is assertive and confident, which tells me you're also going to feel more decisive and clear about what you want and what you're going to do about it. The Knight of Swords can sometimes indicate travel or movement. So for some of you, this might involve physically going somewhere or taking action that gets you out of your current situation. Whatever form it takes, the message is clear. Things are accelerating, and you need to be ready to move when opportunities present themselves. The last card I pulled for you was the Four of Swords, and this one brings such an important message about rest and recovery. The Four of Swords is about taking time to recharge, to integrate experiences, and to prepare for what's next. After all the movement and change indicated by the other cards, the Four of Swords is reminding you that you also need to honor your need for rest. What I'm seeing is that as these positive changes start happening for you, there might be a temptation to push yourself really hard or to feel like you have to prove something. The Four of Swords says no, you've already proven everything you need to prove. Now it's time to move forward from a place of being rested and centered rather than exhausted and depleted. This card often shows up when someone has been through a difficult period and needs time to heal from it. Even though good things are coming, Your mind and body might still be recovering from what you've been through. Give yourself permission to rest. Within these next 48 hours, as opportunities and recognition start flowing in, make sure you're also creating space for yourself to just be. The Four of Swords promises that when you take care of yourself, you're actually setting yourself up for even greater success because you'll have the energy and clarity to make the most of what's coming your way. So Sagittarius, here's what I want you to understand about all of this. These 10 cards together are painting a picture of a complete turnaround happening for you right now. We're not talking about someday. We're not talking about eventually. We're talking about the next 48 hours being a turning point where everything starts shifting in your favor. The injustice you've experienced, the times when things didn't work out even though you did everything right, the moments when you felt overlooked or undervalued, all of that is being corrected. The universe has a way of balancing things out, and your balance is coming due. Money from the past is showing up. Resources you thought were gone are coming back. Opportunities you invested in long ago are suddenly bearing fruit. And the gold in your daily life, that pure gold the title mentions, that's about you recognizing the value in what you already have, while also attracting more value into your experience. You're stepping into your power with the Emperor. You're harvesting what you planted with the Seven of Pentacles. You're being recognized for your integrity with the Hierophant. You're gaining options with the Two of Pentacles. You're watching your vision manifest with the Three of Wands. You're experiencing public victory with the Six of Wands. You're building security with the Four of Pentacles. You're trusting your inner wisdom with the Hermit. You're receiving swift communication and movement with the Knight of Swords, and you're being reminded to rest and integrate with the Four of Swords. Every single one of these cards is working together to tell you that your life is about to get so much better in ways that feel both surprising and absolutely deserved. The next 48 hours are critical. Pay attention to messages you receive, conversations that happen, opportunities that present themselves. The universe is trying to deliver blessings to you, but you have to be present enough to receive them. Trust yourself. Trust the process. Trust that everything you've been through was preparing you for what's coming next. I'm genuinely excited for you, Sagittarius. The energy in these cards is so positive and so powerful. You've earned this turnaround through your resilience, your integrity, and your refusal to give up even when things were really hard. Everything is turning in your favor. Goodbye to injustice. Hello to abundance. Welcome to the next chapter of your life, where things finally start working the way they should have all along. Let me know if this resonates with you. I'd love to hear what happens for you over these next couple of days.